In a world that's always moving, it's important to take a moment for yourself. This 10-minute meditation will help you find your center, a place of peace and stillness inside yourself. You don't need any experience, just be willing to be here with yourself, just as you are right now. We'll explore the power of breathing and find a way to deeply relax. Remember, meditation is like a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just focus on each step, and if your mind wanders, that's okay. It's normal. Gently bring your attention back to now without judging yourself. Let's begin. Find a quiet space where you can relax without anything distracting you. It should be somewhere you feel safe and comfortable, away from the busyness of everyday life. This could be a comfy chair by a window, a cushion on the floor in a quiet spot, or even your bed. Choose a spot that feels inviting and peaceful. The important thing is that you feel supported and at ease. Whether you're sitting or lying down, your body should feel relaxed and free from tension. If you're sitting, let your spine lengthen naturally, resting your hands gently on your lap or knees. This helps you sit in a way that is both relaxed and alert. If you prefer to lie down, find a position that feels comfortable and lets you breathe easily. You could lie on a yoga mat, in your bed, or even on a grassy field. As you settle in, close your eyes if it feels comfortable. This can help you feel calm and focused. This can help to minimize distractions and turn your attention inward. By closing your eyes, you can better connect with your inner self and the present moment. If closing your eyes feels strange, you can always lower your gaze, focusing on a spot on the floor a few feet in front of you. This can still help to reduce distractions while keeping you grounded. The goal is to create a sense of inward focus, minimizing external distractions as much as possible. By doing so, you can cultivate a peaceful and serene environment that supports your relaxation and meditation practice. Now that you're comfortable, take a moment to adjust how you're sitting or lying down. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you fully. If you're sitting, imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling, lengthening your spine. This helps to create space between each bone in your back, making you feel light and at ease. Relax your shoulders, letting go of any tension you might be holding in your upper body. Notice if you're clenching your jaw or furrowing your brow, and allow those areas to soften as well. Your hands can rest comfortably in your lap or on your knees, palms facing up or down, whichever feels more natural to you. Feel the gentle weight of your hands grounding you. If you're lying down, make sure your spine feels straight. Imagine a straight line running from the top of your head to the bottom of your spine. You can put a small pillow under your head or knees if you need more support. This can help keep the natural curve of your spine and make you more comfortable. Let your arms rest comfortably by your sides, palms facing up or down. Feel the openness in your chest and the gentle rise and fall of your breath. The goal is to find a position that feels both relaxed and alert, letting you be fully present in this moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, settle into this state of calm awareness, ready to embrace the present. Pay attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. You don't need to change how you're breathing. Just observe the gentle rise and fall of your belly as you breathe in and out. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in, and the subtle warmth as you breathe out. Your breath is what keeps you grounded in the present moment. It's always with you, a constant reminder of right now. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Don't judge yourself if your mind wanders. It's normal. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently guide your attention back to the feeling of your breath. As you continue to focus on your breath, bring your attention to your body. Notice any feelings you're feeling without judgment. You might feel the weight of your body resting on the chair or floor, the texture of your clothing against your skin, or the temperature of the air around you. Gently scan your body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. You might notice tightness in your shoulders, a clenched jaw, or a feeling of restlessness in your legs. Simply observe these sensations without trying to change them. Acknowledge their presence and continue to breathe. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply, imagine each inhale flowing to any areas of tension you noticed in your body. Visualize the breath softening those areas, like warm water melting away ice. With each exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worry you've been holding on to. Starting with your head and face, consciously relax your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Release any tension in your neck and shoulders, allowing your arms to feel heavy and relaxed. Soften your chest and belly, letting go of any tightness you might be holding in your stomach. Finally, relax your legs and feet, feeling the weight of your body fully supported. As you continue to relax your body, you might notice thoughts popping into your mind. That's perfectly normal. Don't judge yourself or try to push your thoughts away. Simply observe them as if they were clouds passing by in the sky. Some thoughts might be nice, others might not be. Some might be clear and focused, others might be fleeting and random. It doesn't matter what your thoughts are about. Simply acknowledge that they're there and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Throughout this meditation, your breath has been your friend, your anchor to the present moment. It is always there, guiding you back to a state of calm and presence. Whenever you find your mind wandering, gently return your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters and leaves your body, bringing you back to the here and now. Notice the rise and fall of your belly, the coolness of the inhale, and the warmth of the exhale. Each breath is a reminder of your connection to life, a simple yet profound act that grounds you. Your breath is always there for you, a source of peace and stability in the midst of life's busyness. No matter where you are or what you're doing, you can always return to your breath. Each time you return to your breath, you're strengthening your ability to be present, to let go of distractions, and to cultivate a sense of inner calm. This practice helps you navigate through the chaos of daily life with more ease and grace. It's a practice, and like any skill, it develops over time with patience and kindness towards yourself. Remember, every moment spent focusing on your breath is a step towards greater mindfulness and tranquility. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a gentle spirit. Now gently bring your attention back to your body. Notice any sounds you might hear around you. Become aware of the feeling of your clothing against your skin. Gradually begin to deepen your breath, inhaling slowly and exhaling fully. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to the light. Notice any feelings of peace or relaxation you might still be experiencing. Know that you can always return to this state of calm by practicing this meditation regularly. Remember, regularly meditating has many benefits for your mind and body. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, and make you feel more peaceful. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a big difference in how calm and clear you feel. As you continue to explore meditation, Remember to be patient with yourself. It's a journey, not a destination. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's okay. The most important thing is to keep coming back to your breath, to this moment with a sense of openness and curiosity. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute meditation. Remember, the benefits of meditation happen over time with consistent practice. Make time for yourself each day to connect with your breath, to find your center, and to cultivate a sense of inner peace that will become a part of your whole life. Come back to this meditation session whenever you feel the need for relaxation or need help with breath work. May this practice bring you a sense of peace, clarity, and well-being. Take care.